Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream juice. First, gather your ingredients, your favorite ice cream, a liquid like milk, and a blender. This simple process transforms solid ice cream into a delightful, drinkable treat. We'll cover the only way to achieve that perfect, smooth consistency you're looking for, ensuring a delicious result every time. Let's get started. Choosing the right base is key. Start with your preferred ice cream flavor. Vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry all work wonderfully. For the liquid, whole milk offers a classic, rich taste. If you prefer something lighter, consider using almond milk or even a small amount of water. The ratio of ice cream to liquid will determine the thickness of your final juice. Now for the blending. Add about 2 generous scoops of ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in approximately 1/4 cup of your chosen liquid. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase to high. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and has a consistent, pourable texture, without any ice cream chunks remaining. This usually takes about 30 seconds. Once blended, immediately pour your freshly made ice cream juice into a chilled glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a bright red cherry. This delicious beverage is best enjoyed right away while it's still cold and perfectly smooth. Experiment with different flavors to find your ultimate combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.